Hello, good morning, dear students. This is the second chapter, The Thief's Story, from your book Footprints Without Feet. The writer of this chapter is Ruskin Bond. Do you know, children, who is Ruskin Bond? Let's know about the writer. Ruskin Bond is a famous Indian writer in English. He was born on 19 May 1934. Ruskin's father was with the Royal Air Force at the age of 10. Ruskin started living with his grandmother in Dehradun after his father's death in 1944. He spent 4 years in London where he started writing his first novel. The Room on the Roof was his first novel. Okay. Ruskin Bond is also now recognized as a leading writer in English, particularly known for his short stories. Now he is living with his adopted family in Landor, Missouri's Ivy Cottage, which has been his residence since 1964. Do you know, children? Ruskin Bond was also decorated with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards. Now, moving to the chapter, let's see the thief's story. The thief's story itself is a thief's story. See, in the box given, a young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? Children, the word given betray means to cheat, to deceive somebody, to dupe somebody. So, who has cheated in this chapter and for what? We will find out the answer. But before moving to the chapter, you can see 3 questions are given. First is, who does I refers to in this story? Second, what is he a fairly successful hand at? And third, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? You can see in the first question it is given I, and the third question is Anil. So, dear children, there are main 2 characters in this story. I, the narrator, the thief. Here he is named as Hari Singh. So I is the narrator, the thief, who is named as Hari Singh. And as given in this chapter, Hari Singh used to change his name every month to stay ahead of the police and old employees. Actually, he changed his name because he didn't want to be caught by the police and to stay away from all his former employees, all his old employees. Anil, second character is Anil. He was a writer and did not earn much, means he had no regular income. He was living his life very carelessly. Now, let's see the chapter. The chapter starts with I, as it is already given. I is the narrator, the thief, Hari Singh. So the story starts from the point where the 2 main characters of the story meet, that is Anil and the thief. The thief is the narrator of the story. The thief says that according to him, he was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Dear children, fairly successful hand means pretty good or to be the master. So he was pretty good, he was fairly successful at hand, he was master at stealing and robbing people. And this is given in question number 2. Okay, what is he fairly successful hand at? So he was fairly successful at stealing and robbing people. He is an experienced thief. He is also so clean and swift. Swift means fast in his walk that he robs people without being caught. Now see, in the next line given, Anil was watching a wrestling. See, Anil was watching a wrestling match when the thief approached him. Approached meaning came nearer. So, the thief Hari Singh came nearer to Anil when Anil was watching the wrestling match. What do you mean by wrestling? Here, wrestle. See, wrestle means to fight by trying to get hold of your opponent. The word given wrestling match means a kind of fighting by trying to get hold of your opponent's body and throw to the ground. See, people wrestle as a sport. This is not the kind of fight which cause to damage or destruction among people. This is a fight for fun, for as a sport. So Anil was watching and the thief came nearer to him. Now see what given about the thief here and Anil. Anil was a very kind and simple and easy going. You know children, easy going means Anil was relaxed, calm, not easily worried. Young man of 25 years old. He was tall and lean stature. He was tall and very thin stature. Stature means the height of the person. So he was tall and very thin stature. And Anil was interested in sports like wrestling. That's why Anil was watching the wrestling match. Now children, as it is given, Anil looked so simple enough for the purpose of a thief. The thief felt that he can easily cheat him. He can easily rob him. His simple nature, that is Anil's simple nature, made him the perfect candidate for Hari's purpose. As it is given, the thief had not much luck of late. See the word given, the sentence, the thief had not had much luck of late. What does it mean? It means that the thief had not committed any theft. He had not robbed, he has not had any theft in the past few days, as he did not get a chance to do that. So the thief thought that Anil would be a good man to steal things from. So he thought about getting comfortable with him. The line given, the young man's confidence. The thief Hari Singh wanted to win the heart of Anil. He wanted to take Anil into confidence so that he can rob him, he can cheat him. So he wanted to win his confidence. Then the thief simply commented on Anil that Anil looks like a wrestler himself. So children, do you think Anil looked like a wrestler? As it is already given, Anil was a tall and lean fellow. Anil's look was not like that of a wrestler, but still the thief gave a false praise. He commented. You know why he said that? He said that to win Anil's confidence by flattering him, by giving false praise, false appreciation. To his, Anil replied that even the thief looked like a wrestler. Now Anil was no less than thief. Anil also gave a nice counter reply. Anil too told the thief that the thief too looked like a wrestler, and that had offended him. That had hurt, upset the thief, the narrator, as he was very thin at that time. Even the thief was also very thin. Even thief's look was not like that of a wrestler. The thief very modestly, the word given modestly means humbly, in a humble way, replied that he did wrestle a bit sometimes. So the thief in modest way said that he also used to wrestle sometimes. Anil asked his name, and the narrator, the thief, said lie. He lied that his name was Hari Singh. The narrator used to change his name. You know children why? The thief Hari Singh changed his name every time, every month. He did so to avoid arrest from the police, not to be caught by the police, and also from his former old employees. Then after this discussion, then both started talking about the well-oiled wrestlers whom they watched on the screen at the place where it was going on. The narrator did not know much about wrestling. Thief, he has spent all life in thieving, robbing, and stealing people, so he did not have any idea about wrestling. But as Anil was leaving, the narrator again approached, that is, came nearer to him, to Anil, asking him that he wanted to work for him. The narrator approached him with the most appealing smile that he could. Actually, the thief wanted to win his heart. He wanted to take Anil in his confidence so that he can show his smartness in at stealing and robbing Anil. So he gave the most attractive, the most appealing smile to Anil. But Anil told him that he won't be able to pay him for his work. And as I have already given in the beginning, Anil was a writer, but he did not get his regular income. He always earned less. He did not get regular payment. Okay, so that's all, children. Page number 8 is over, and next we will be back with the detailing of page number 9 in part 2 detailing of this chapter. Till then, thank you all, children. Bye.